In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload in Dropbox. Let's start by opening Dropbox in your web browser and signing in to your account. This process works best from the desktop browser version, not the mobile app, because that's where you'll find all the sharing and file request options. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Dropbox Home or Files page, where you can see your folders and documents. To let other people upload files to your Dropbox without giving them full access to your account, you'll want to use what's called a file request. This is a secure way to collect files from anyone, even if they don't have a Dropbox account themselves. Look for the option labeled File Requests in the left-hand sidebar or in the Create menu. Click it, and then choose the option to create a new file request. You'll now be asked to set a title or description for what you're collecting. Make this clear and specific, so people know exactly what to send you. For example, you might type something like Project Documents or Event Photos. Under that, choose the folder in your Dropbox where the uploaded files will be stored. You can select an existing folder or create a new one just for these uploads, which helps keep everything organized. Once you've named your request and picked a destination folder, confirm your settings. Dropbox will generate a unique link for this file request. This link is the key to allowing others to upload. You can copy this link and share it through email, chat, or any messaging platform you use. Remember, people who open this link will only be able to upload files into the folder you chose. They won't see the rest of your Dropbox. When someone clicks the link, they'll be taken to a simple upload page. They can choose files from their device, add their name or contact details if prompted, and then submit the upload. They don't need to log in or create a Dropbox account for this to work. As soon as they finish uploading, the files will appear in your selected folder, and you can manage them just like any other files in your Dropbox. That's all you need to do to allow others to upload to your Dropbox safely and easily using file requests.